Hey guys, so today you're going to learn the fight from the Old Republic trailer, Malgus vs. Ven Zallow. If you're new here, this is Mike Starwalker. We reenact fights, make our own fights, and tutorials. For more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't seen it, make sure to watch our basics video first so you're familiar with the number system I use to teach these tutorials. Also, you're going to need to know how to do the Obi-Wan spin in this fight. I wouldn't recommend this as your first fight, and we have plenty of tutorials on other fights, but I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. Let's get started with Ven Zallow. Special thanks to Defiant King for helping me make this tutorial. We're going to do some steel work on his channel if you want to go check him out. So it starts off with a flying leaf that goes right into an 8. And then this is a double cross 2. Then a 9. It's going to get parried. Then block an 8, inverted, hit the 8 down, then attack a 3, then attack a 2 that's going to miss, and this flourishes right into half an Obi-Wan to a behind the back block, push off, you're going to attack a 1, he's going to attack an 8 at the same time, then attack a 6, then you're going to do a stage combat pommel to the face, keeping a safe distance between your pommel and their face. Bring your saber around for a 5, spin to getting stabbed. Once again at half speed for the float. So that's jump, 8, 2, 9, block 8, parry 8 down, attack 3, attack 2, miss, flourish to Obi-Wan, behind back block, attack a 1, attack a 6, pommel to the face, bring your saber over, swing at a 5, miss, spin, and get stabbed. Here's the Malgus side. So it's going to start by invert blocking an 8, then a double attack 2, diagonal strike, parry the 9, then attack an 8, it's going to get parried down, then you're going to get your saber hit up with a 3, and then step back to dodge a 2, and then come in and attack a 1, then attack an 8, and he's going to block it by attacking a 1. Then behind back block a 6. You're going to get pommeled to the face, making sure you and your partner are keeping a safe distance. Step back to dodge a 5, spin to your left, and stab. Once again at half speed for the float. So that's block 8, diagonal attack 2, parry the 9, attack an 8, gets parried down, saber gets hit up, step back to dodge a 2, attack a 1, attack an 8, behind back block a 6, gets hit up, step back to dodge a 5, spin to your left, and stab. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you guys all have a great day sabering, and may the Force be with you.